Alright guys, I don't do a lot of videos of myself included, so this is a rare one. But most of y'all know I got a K5LA the other day for my birthday, and I've spent the past week and a half restoring it. So I did a run-by video earlier in the week before I restored it. Finished horn. Here's my K5LA from Nathan Airchime. We've got a round base tag, which makes me think it's from the early 2000s. It's got the 5, 3A, 1, 2, and 4A bells. So anyways, this horn was from KCS. Got it off eBay. It was in gray primer, and I've got most of that off, actually all of it off. It's all smooth to the touch, no dents, no dings, nothing. It's perfect condition. So I've got everything pretty much sounding the way I want it. I put the 2 bells, the 4 and the 2 and the 4 bells reversed. Only thing left to do is paint it, and I'm not sure what I want to paint it, or if I just want to leave it like this. But anyways, let's go ahead and listen